Hello my lovelies, how are you all? I hope you are doing extremely well and welcome back to my channel Manisha Fashionista. And if you are new to my channel, I am Manisha. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon too. Today's video is really interesting for all the girls out there. Let me ask you that, have you ever tried denim skirt or have you ever purchased denim skirt or you haven't tried yet? So this will be an interesting video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can convert your pair of denim into a denim skirt. For more details, keep watching this video till the end so that you do not miss anything. So let's get into the video. Let me show you in the picture right here that how I have converted this pair of jeans into denim skirt. And the denim skirt which I'm talking about is that denim skirt. I hope you can see on camera. I'll put out the picture of this denim. Let me give you some options. You can use old pair of jeans of yours or either your father, brother or your husband's which is lying around in the house and you are not using it. You can convert that denim jeans, and also you can use their old trousers of your father or brother or husband and you can use it. You can create a skirt out of it and you can use it as a formal wear with a pair of formal shirt for your office. So you might be thinking how to do that. So if you know stitching, it's well and good, and if you don't know how to stitch, you can give it to a local tailor or a master. They know their job very well and they'll do it in just around 150 or 100 bucks. So it is so cheap and you can get an old pair of jeans into a new denim skirt. Isn't it amazing? Even you have an option that if you don't know stitching, you can use a glue and you can do the required cutting and you can just stick it around and you can create the skirt out of it. Now you can choose length. If you want, you can keep a mini skirt, you can go for a knee length or you can go for a full length skirt, and you can pair it with t-shirts, tops, or you can wear it as a formal wear, informal wear. You can do the DIY, like you can attach buttons, pearls, laces, or brooches or some patchworks. So these are the options how you can do the DIY on that denim skirt. All this will make your skirt very attractive and very designer look. So this will really help you all. And if you guys will comment down in the description box, I will definitely make another video. In that video, I'll show you practically how you can convert a denim or a trouser into a denim skirt or a trouser skirt. So let me show you that how I style this denim skirt. I have two pair of skirt, which is the black one and another is a blue denim skirt. So I'll show you how I have styled both the skirt, and you can change the look according to the occasion or the purpose wherever you're going. it guys. I hope you like this video and this helps you out. After watching this video, if you will create denim skirt, please tag me on Insta stories and let me know. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. Your support means a lot to me to grow as a YouTuber, as a blogger. And don't forget to subscribe my blog website where I write interesting blogs. Please go and read and please do comment. And don't forget to comment down in this video as well and give a big fat thumbs up. Thank you. Until I see you next time. Bye.